I'm a dietitian. Here are 5 easy, hearty, and affordable office lunches. A UK dietitian is offering 5 simple and nutritious lunch recipes that are perfect for the office and easy on the wallet. Eating healthy on a budget is possible with smart shopping, dietitian Jones shared in an interview. Even for those with limited time, Jones assured that her 10-minute meals, plant-based lunch, low-carb salad, hot and cold lentil options, and budget-friendly sandwiches are excellent choices. 10-minute meals. She suggested filling a whole wheat pita with hummus, feta cheese, and vegetables like cucumber slices, tomato wedges, and bell pepper strips. The chickpeas in the hummus, combined with the veggies, protein, and healthy fat from the feta, create a filling and nutrient-rich lunch, Jones explained. You can add halloumi cheese, jarred roasted red peppers, or slices of hard-boiled egg along with some baby spinach and garden cress. For meat lovers, Jones suggested substituting chicken, paired with salad and her homemade dressing made from 1/3 cup of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, herbs, salt, and pepper. Plant-based lunch. To save time, use microwavable packet grains like brown rice, quinoa, or a rice grain mix. Then, build your bowl with a variety of vegetables and plant-based proteins such as tofu or frozen edamame beans, she recommended. She recommended adding avocado on top, since the healthy fats in avocado improve nutrient absorption and increase satiety. Finish with a lemon vinaigrette made from 3 parts oil to 1 part acid vinegar or lemon. Jones advised keeping the dressing in a separate container to prevent the bowl from getting soggy before reaching the office. Avocados are heart-healthy due to their high content of monounsaturated fatty acids, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also provide potassium, folate, and fiber, helping you feel fuller longer. This vegan lunch offers lasting energy without making you feel heavy, Jones promised. Low-carb salad. According to the dietary guidelines for Americans, carbohydrates should comprise 45% to 65% of daily calories. For a standard 2,000-calorie diet, this amounts to 225 to 325 grams of carbs, or 900 to 1,300 calories from carbs. Low-carb diets have been associated with weight loss, blood sugar stabilization, improved blood pressure, and reduced inflammation. For her low-carb salad, Jones recommended starting with a base of spinach or a salad kit, then adding grilled chicken breast or baked salmon. Include other low-carb vegetables like avocado, tomatoes, cucumber, and radishes. Nuts and seeds are great additions. You can buy mixed seed packs and sprinkle some on top for healthy fats and crunch, she advised. For these salads, you can use any dressing you prefer. Sometimes simple is best, and balsamic vinegar and olive oil make for a quick option, Jones suggested. Lentil options for days. Lentils, rich in plant-based protein and fiber, are a great source of B vitamins, folate, iron, and potassium. Jones recommended cooking a large batch of lentils at the beginning of the week to use in salads, grain bowls, or wraps. She noted that pairing lentils with roasted beetroots, kale, or red cabbage helps the salads stay fresh and not get soggy for several days. Each morning, add a scoop of lentils to your prepped greens, along with pre-cooked chicken, tuna, or cheese like feta, and finish with a bright dressing such as lemon vinaigrette, she suggested. Jones also provided 2 hot lentil lunch recipes that are freezer-friendly: spiced lentil and sweet potato stew, and smoky lentil chili. For the stew, she advised, sauté onions, garlic, and ginger, then add chopped sweet potatoes, red lentils, vegetable or chicken stock, and your preferred curry powder or spice blend. Simmer until the lentils and potatoes are tender. For the chili, she recommended, brown some turkey or beef. If using meat, then add cooked green or brown lentils, a can of tomatoes, peppers, chili seasoning, and stock. Top it with fresh coriander, avocado, and a dollop of Greek yogurt, she added. This protein and fiber-packed lunch will keep you energized throughout the afternoon. Budget-friendly sandwiches. You won't need to spend much to make sandwiches using canned fish like mackerel, sardines, or salmon. Canned fish is often relatively affordable and contains lots of healthy fats, Jones said. Use whole wheat bread, replace mayo with yogurt, and add cucumber, sweet corn, and salad. The lunch is trendy too. TikTok's popularity has led to a surge in demand for tinned fish, causing them to quickly sell out over the past 2 years. If you can't find your preferred canned fish, consider using budget-friendly eggs instead. Jones suggests preparing a salad with chopped iceberg lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, chickpeas, a couple of hard-boiled eggs, and chopped crispy bacon. Drizzle with a dressing made from 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a teaspoon of mustard, salt, pepper, and lemon juice to taste. This salad can also be easily transformed into a satisfying sandwich.